purpose of the scholarship fund is to encourage Jamaicans to invest in education around health care. And there are about 26 categories of health professionals. Most people think health is just about doctors and nurses. It's not. Lab techs, pharmacists, dentists, biotech to fix the machine in the hospital. A lot of areas. We're going to be having an expo later this year in October or so, where we're going to put all 26 on display and have people come in and see and determine if they want to invest in these professions. But in the meantime, the scholarship fund is now available on the website, at the Ministry of Health and Wellness website, where you can go on and apply. $1 million a year for up to 5 years. And of course, you're bonded to work with the government for 3 years after. Any institution to advance yourself. And I'm saying it to you, community health aides, because a lot of you deserve to advance yourself. You have experience, and there are institutions out there that you can apply to and upgrade. You will make an excellent nurse because you know what nursing involves and you have been on the ground, so you see. For example, I'm happy to announce that of that $500 million a year, we are committing $75 million of the $500 million for healthcare workers within the public health system.